Hello, this is Matt Verde again, and today I got you another Loot Crate video. Loot Crate, as you have seen in my previous videos, is a monthly subscription service. It's about 20 bucks a month and you get a Loot Crate delivered to your box. And this month they gave me 2 free boxes to give away. So I gave it to 2 people already because there was a deadline to it. So uh, they might post videos on them too. I'll let y'all know. I'll post the links in the descriptions when they do if they do an unboxing video. But I loved how Loot Crate did that. None of these other subscription boxes have done that. The only box that did do something like that was the nerd block. They did that welcome block, which I mean, it was one cool figure. So it was said it was about 20 bucks worth, but it was free, so I'm not complaining. But we'll see what I get in that month, which it ships about December 5th. So be looking for a video around December 10th or so, depending on how long it takes, because it is from Canada. So I don't know how long. So that's just more about that. And also, I am trying to do videos on the Xbox One. I've been uploading live streams if y'all have seen, but I'll have to try to upload videos that I've recorded on Upload Studio. And I'm trying to figure all that out still. It's kind of confusing because you can't directly upload to YouTube. I think I have to go to the cloud and upload it from there. But you'll see the videos if I figure it out. If not, I'll let you know on the next update. You can also check my Twitter, tweet me at Matt1296 if you have any questions. Let me try opening this. This month was Combat, so it's stuff from Hunger Games, Capcom, which is Street Fighter, something from Blizzard, and then something from favorite game, which is Fallout 4, which I love this hoodie. I'm wearing it again. So, you know, and then you see the bag in the background there. I hung it up there because it looks cool looking at it. So there's gonna be some up. All right, so this fell out. That was kind of weird how they had it in here because it just fell out when I opened it. And there's some cool stuff in here. But I got a Loot Crate member card, I guess, since I've done 2 consecutive months. I'm not sure how they decide, but it says Loot Crate official member. And if you go to certain events, you can show that at the events, which there's not usually ones where I live. So that's only California and stuff like that. But if you show that card, they'll give you something free at their booth. So, but I'll go ahead and turn it. Looks like this one does flip inside out, so I'll have to try that out. I'll try it on during this video. It might take me a while, but I'll try it for y'all. Let me close. Okay. So let's see. I'll do the mask first. Oh, man, they got a lot of cool stuff in here. So this is from Blizzard Entertainment. I don't play much Blizzard games. Y'all might. So I don't really know anything about Blizzard. So I know what their games are, but they even got it sealed up here, so you still don't know what it is, even if you open it. I don't know the purpose of that, but you can't see through its box. So what's. Oh man, that's awesome. I don't know what figure that is. Oh, it has a name on the back. Oh, it's actually Diablo, and this actually, man, I wish I got that one. There's something called Murloc, and it says it's a Loot Crate exclusive. Maybe that's what. No, this is obviously that one, 'cause that's the picture right there. Maybe I wish they get. I don't understand why it says Loot Crate exclusive, but I didn't get that one. That makes no sense. But oh well, it's whatever. But I mean, this one's still pretty cool. If y'all don't know Diablo, I I guess Blizzard does Diablo games. I'm not sure if that's from the top of my head. I'm pretty sure they do. Oh man, you know what it is? Vault Boy bobblehead. We got it sealed up tight. This is what I was wanting in this Loot Crate from the where I got this hoodie from. If y'all haven't watched that video, go ahead and give it a try. It is pretty some awesome stuff. Got the hoodie, got the bag. So, but this one I was hoping was gonna be in it, so I don't. But so I'm glad I got this one and got it in this one. They got this to protect its head. It is. Love bobbleheads. Pretty awesome. Not sure which. I guess it's just the original bobblehead. Doesn't say. Doesn't really say what type of bobblehead it is. I think it's just the Vault Boy bobblehead. So for any. This is what a lot of people were wanting because it said it was going to be something from Hunger Games, and it was pretty, what you would think it would be, but this is what it was. It's the Mockingjay pin. If y'all haven't seen Hunger Games, and also this is pretty cool because Mockingjay just came out, and I'm going to go see that soon. It looks pretty awesome. But the Mockingjay pin is pretty awesome. Go check out that movie. If you haven't seen the first one, see that one first, obviously, and then go see the second one. Okay, so these look like, yeah, these are some magnets. More stuff from Blizzard. Okay. Happy Holidays, looter. Regift your loot to someone. So they gave me all these things to give away. I could put it on individual items, but as y'all know, I'm greedy and I already gave away 2 of these because they gave me a free code to give 2 away. So, nah boo boo. It's pretty cool. This is from Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. It says Nickelodeon, so it's from the Nickelodeon TV show. But I'll try to put it on. Some shade, so it's kind of dark. I can still kind of see. But I don't. Yeah, I'm not gonna finish that video with this on because I can't see it all. And here's the Loot Crate pin. Try putting it up. Pretty cool. And here's the book. They always. I did October, so, but this is what they put in every box. I don't know why I don't know why my picture's not with these. That's kind of weird. I'm pretty popular, so I don't. It's kind of weird. I don't know why not, but it's whatever. But they got a couple things about epic video game rivalries. You got Ken and Ryu from Street Fighter, Scorpion Sub-Zero from Mortal Kombat, Mario and Bowser, Red and Blue, Ash and Gary. And then we got Loot Crate on YouTube. That's kind of weird. Okay. Yeah, that's their videos. They have their own channel on YouTube. If y'all want to watch some of their videos, they're pretty funny. And I wish I won this one. See, I could have won another Fallout Loot Crate, but I guess I didn't because they didn't send me an email. So I don't know why I didn't get an email about it. Loot Crate, if you're watching this, I want my email for my free Mega Crate. That'd be great. Um, Looks like, yeah, it came with the PS4 Collector's Edition. That'd been awesome because then I would have had that and the Xbox One, but, you know. And then there's something about kids versus kids, Mockingjay, Hunger Games. And we got interview with Kyle Edwards. I'll have to read that later. And it has each thing about this month's loot. So this I can actually tell y'all now what this stuff's from. This is from the exclusive Cute But Deadly magnet set. That was these magnets right here. Special set includes 11 magnets of Blizzard's tournament most memorable villains, including Kerrigan, Arthens, and Diablo. And then we have the Fallout bobblehead. And then Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle Shredders. Hunger Games Part 2 pin. And then, yeah, I haven't shown y'all this yet because I didn't want to. Got a Street Fighter hyper looting comic book from Capcom. And this is issue number 1. So I'm the only one who got issue number 1. I guess they're numbered 1 to something, but I got number 1, so I'm obviously cooler than everyone else. And then here's all the cute but deadly figures. And I got that little red one right there. And now I will attempt to fold this box. So bear with me. I had I had very much trouble with the other one. But so bear with me. I might have to edit this. They do some crazy stuff. Gotta be smarter than the average bear, boo-boo, as they say. See if I fold that like that, that's covered up. It's whatever. I don't know. Said something about taping something. I'm not taping nothing. I think that's right. Let's see. I think that's right. That looks about right to me. The road going around. The gas station. I don't know why there was design on the inside like that though. 'Cause now it's covered up. So you got this little like designs right here that are folded up when you fold that up. But if I fold it like this, these flaps are just sitting there. That doesn't make any sense. I think I had it. Wait. Yeah, I think I had it right. I think that's just extra. Says something about tape. I don't know. I think I had it right though. I'm just gonna leave it. But I'll do another unboxing video soon. I'm not sure when the next crate is coming. I ordered it from another thing called Super Geek Box or something like that. But I'll let y'all know when that's gonna come. So just be looking for that and just keep watching and I'll have more videos soon. Thank you.